Many CAs are not using that AA. Only the technology related guys are into this field.
Schedule 3 preparation, a small level of reconciliation. So I take small units of technical challenges in audits. I start to do the same work manually. I do it in an automated way.
Okay.
Compare the results.
Okay.
See, this automated is perfect. Then I repeat it over a period.
Why should we do manually?
Technology is more about understanding things, visualizing certain concepts, and reading blogs and finding a solution tailor-made like that.
So more of practical thing.
Class 10, I thought getting into civil service was the best.
Okay.
Then when I was class 12, I thought driving lorries is good.
Do you really think you need both people and technology to run the show?
No.
No. So only the technology is sufficient.
Yes. For me, I rely on only computers.
Computers.
So it does not ask me any leave for examinations.
Correct.
It does not ask take any leave for wellness. Found out a method in Tally. It's called ODBC,
Okay.
which exports the data at a rate of 1000 line item for a report in a matter of 1 second. So this application will pull out the 23 tables in a flash time between 7 seconds to 25 seconds. SAP,
Okay.
Dynamics,
Dynamics. Okay.
Oracle.
Oracle. Yeah.
All these ERPs have a similar ODBC kind of a feature called OData.
Okay.
Okay. Nobody knows this.
Okay.
The implementers of this ERP knows this,
Okay.
but they don't tell people. You know why? Their relevance is lost. You think that many chartered accountants think that if you go for a vacation, then that's all, your office is lost. No.
Yeah.
I've created applications which can integrate with my WhatsApp. Wherever I turn on my computer, even in this studio, I can turn on my computer, connect to internet, I can see my office file. 25 to 40 age group, we'll see AI can able to help them
Support. Yeah.
support. People in 40 to 50,
You're still hesitant to.
no, they may, but they will seriously see the impact that they can improve it faster.
Okay.
People 50 plus or 60 plus, they will have much resistance to this AI.
Hello friends, welcome to Aarthi's Tax Info. So today we are having a special guest. He's a chartered accountant, he's a data analyst, forensic auditor, automation specialist, trainer and winner of AA Hackathon, ICAA. So he is Mr. CA Ramajayam Jayachandran. Welcome sir.
Thank you.
So welcome to our show. I'm really happy to have you in my show. So I know you personally as a student. AA class la vandu you took AA for ICAA Chengalpattu branch la. So when I saw you taking that AA class, I thought how a CA can be so well versed in such technology. ஏன்னா இப்போ AA வந்ததுக்கு அப்புறம் I'm really shocking that many CAs are not using that AA. Only the technology related guys are into this field. So this techie guy அப்படின்றது how did you get it?
See, with respect to technology, there are a lot of things in technology. For example, you have artificial intelligence, you have automation, you have robotic process automation, a lot of other things, data analysis, and a lot of things are there. But, I started this avenue into technology by automating things. I see small things in technology. For example, Schedule 3 preparation, a small level of reconciliation. So I take small units of technical challenges in audits. I start to do automate.
Okay.
So it's been almost 10 years.
Oh.
I've done this, and over a period I repeat this again and again. Then today, you can see me like a data analyst,
yeah.
a faculty, a winner of hackathon. So all these have started with
So 10 years back you started using the technology for everything.
Yes.
So where then you chartered accountant?
No, I was an article
You were,
assistant.
okay, you were an article assistant.
assistant.
So how did you develop that interest when you were an article assistant?
See, for me, the articleship audit per se is boring for me.
Okay, so that was a routine.
Yeah, it is a routine exercise. Every time you tick, you do the same set of procedures for every client.
Okay.
And hardly there is no limitation on that. So once at a moment I thought, I want to do something, things differently. So I do the same work manually, I do it in an automated way.
Okay.
Compare the results.
Okay.
See, this automated is perfect. Then I repeat it over a period.
Why should we do manually?
Yes. Then I completely move on. So I started my own style of doing audits.
So when you were in articles?
Articleships.
Okay. So how did you start that? When you were in articles, you started learning computer applications or?
Yeah, see, first, the first and foremost application which comes to us or comes to our mind is Excel.
Excel, yeah.
So I learned Excel, I want to automate in Excel. Then I studied with Microsoft VBA.
Okay.
Which is called, today we call
Separate
it as Excel
course.
Macro.
Okay.
A 36 hours classroom training. With that, I started my...
Okay. Then you started using that practically in your audit firm. How did they support you when you were doing all this?
See, my audit firm is completely incognito.
Okay.
They never know what I'm doing.
Okay.
So I keep it
They
myself.
just want the result.
Correct. I just keep it all myself. I don't preach it. I don't teach it. I don't distribute it.
Okay.
I keep it to myself. I automate. I do the work.
Okay.
At one point in time, I could be able to realize that 80% of the work of that firm is done through me.
Okay, but they didn't realize that.
I'm not sure that they realized or not. I'm not sure.
Okay.
Then my articleship, I was at a brief period
completed.
of paid assistantship. It was completed.
Okay.
So I moved on.
Okay. So then you completed CA, and after CA, did you do any additional course, sir?
See, I'll tell you, in terms of technology, it is not by, unlike tax for audits where we read books, read articles, not like that. Technology is more about understanding things, visualizing certain concepts, and, reading blogs and finding a solution tailor-made like that.
So more of practical thing.
Yes, more of practical, refer YouTube videos, understood the basics. My fundamentals were strong enough to, understand. And it's a bunch of technologies. I could not say it is only one technology. A bunch of technologies. For example, you just think about like this. A guy doing an engineering course for 4 years.
Correct.
And he filters out whatever he has studied throughout the 4 years, 8 semesters, 60 papers, and I filter out what is relevant to finance and accounting.
Okay.
That is what you see me like a chartered accountant.
Okay.
So it is not one line of technology I know. There is a bunch of technologies.
Correct.
Starts from SQL, understanding what is an array, what is network.
So as you were interested in technology, why didn't you choose science background and you came to a CA?
See, if you ask about me background, when I was class 10, I thought, getting into civil service was the best.
Okay.
Then when I was class 12, I thought driving lorries is good.
Okay.
And in
fact,
I did this business. I was associated with my father's business of running and maintaining fleets of vehicles until the age of 22, 23.
So your father is a business
Yes,
person.
yes.
Okay.
Since then, my father said, no, you do leave this all. You go and work on with your education. Why don't you do the CA course which you have registered? Then at the age of 22, I took it very seriously. I did. So my background was never to learn per se, technology as such.
Okay.
Technology is something which I utilized in my articleship and due course and post qualification. I thought I should do something good in technology.
So now you are self-employed. You are running a firm. So how did that practice come into your mind? Because I thought if you are a technology guy, then somewhere into corporate will serve you more than practice.
Correct. See, I said, there are 3 verticals of my profession. Vertical number 1 is into hardcore practice with taxation practices.
So your core practice is tax.
Taxation, litigation, income tax, indirect tax, litigation. All of this is my core area. At the same time, I have one more core area of practice is my training.
Okay.
So, and again, one more core area of practices information technology related practices and implementation.
Okay.
So you can see a chartered accountant either he'll be a faculty, or you can see a chartered accountant fully into technology. You will see a chartered accountant fully into the regular practice. I see myself complete when I do all these three.
Okay.
For example, a guy who's in technology for years, a chartered accountant in teaching for a year. I believe that he or she is narrow downing the knowledge.
Okay.
I do.
So you keep changing your roles.
Correct. So I want to be a complete chartered accountant, whereby doing all these three principal services at the same speed, at the same volume, at the same velocity.
Okay.
I see it complete.
Correct. So you are expert and you create your own data automation, everything. So I think no staff is required for you in your firm.
Maybe today I'm thinking about bit expanding. So I'm investing on new people and making.
But do you really think you need both people and technology to run the show?
No.
No. So only the technology is sufficient.
Yes.
Okay.
People not really required for today's technology, especially after.
But for the development, you require the
No,
people.
I don't rely on any third party to develop. For example,
Okay.
you think that you want to develop this, you want to manufacture this jug.
Okay.
And do you think what you will think? I'm a chartered accountant. No, let me not do this. Let me go to a pottery.
Yeah.
Let me give my dimensions. Let them do. So, for example, the cost is say 100 rupees. The same thing I believe in terms of technology. I can code it, I can manufacture it for the price of 5 rupees of my time.
Oh, okay.
Don't tell me, should I need to outsource it?
Not right.
So I don't require any guys to even run my information technology.
Okay. So you don't think that time investment from your end is not going waste?
Not really, because it's been like 10 years. I'm 35 years old. Do you think I won the hackathon? I teach with as a AI faculty. My fellow faculties were 55, 60 years old.
Correct.
At the age of 35, I could be able to become faculty. All because of this time I spent in the past. I understand. I agree. Maybe how to fund.
Few people say that if we keep investing our time and if we keep working on ourselves for the firm, then there will be no more growth from our end or for the firm. So you have to delegate or you have to allocate the work to the sub juniors.
Okay, I understand. That is in case of I rely on manual.
Okay.
For me, I rely on only computers. So it does not ask me any leave for examinations.
Correct.
It does not ask take any leave for wellness. It does not take any exam leave.
So you are more comfortable this way.
Yes. So I rely on computers, automation. So I don't rely on people anymore.
Okay. So you have made your office in such a way that even if no one is there, your office is
correct. I tell you, in a week, say let's take in a week like 7 days. What a practicing chartered accountant will do? Say 5 days of office.
5 days of office, we keep checking the work, whatever is
6 days of office. Yes, or 5 days of office.
Yes.
2 days so you'll spend for his personal things.
Correct.
I do the other way around.
Oh, 2 days you work, 5 days
Okay,
work.
probably today is the 30th of April. I think this
30th
is
June.
Sorry, 30th of June. I think this is the 6th or 7th day me in my office in this month.
Okay.
And it was the same since January.
Okay.
By the way, my firm is not working on Saturdays. We only work for 5 days.
Very
So I hardly see my firm. But again, I have the same growth. I don't deny it. Of course, there could be a growth could be limited because I'm not available. But still, it is the same growth. Whatever the average growth I had, any firm has, I still do have my firm's growth in the same way.
Okay. So you keep working on the applications for
Correct.
new developments,
Correct.
whatever
Correct.
you do.
I would see like this. Maybe 1 hour of the effort I put on the information technology, I see that it may reduce 5 minutes of my time in audits. Fine, I lose 55 minutes. Then I do the same automation for another 100 clients.
Correct.
I say around 500 hours.
Actually, this model everyone likes to work on, but nobody is interested to go to the technology.
See, again, I'll tell you, this is something like, you need to be skillful as a chartered accountant, skillful as an engineer.
Okay.
Without any formal education of engineering or computer science. See, only few people could be able to do it.
Correct.
And I believe that there are some levels of technology is easy. People can able to do it. But going on to a deep level into technology, it is really hard for some people. Of course, I believe that I mastered this art of.
Correct, definitely, sir. Because even when you told us in our class, we were able to learn everything, whatever is there in AA. But it is very much difficult for us to practically apply in each and every cases, because maybe we are not interested in
No, I believe at the same time, for my fellow chartered accountants, I see that AI will definitely remove that gap of learning.
Correct.
For example,
so we can create the coding.
Correct. For example, VBA?
Yes.
You know Python? No, you know to
No,
write?
I just know the terms.
All right. No means in the sense like, you know to do, work it on. Right.
No.
You don't require to learn.
Okay.
All you need to learn
We
is
have to give the input to the
machine, get a script, and all you need to do is know how to run that.
Okay.
So moving forward, at the moment we are in the stage of artificial narrow intelligence, where one small defined scope we work. So the entire world is moving to the scope of artificial general intelligence,
Okay.
where we're going to do a lot of stuff. It can even replace a human being. To that extent, when the world is on that particular phase of really working on moving through in AGI, certainly more things a chartered accountant can become like an engineer.
As you say rightly, you have kept in your LinkedIn post, automate everything is what you have written. So automate everything meaning you want everything to be automated. You don't want anything to work manually. So you are attempting each and every time to give us some inputs. Like tally use cases and other inputs. So recently also you gave some software relating to tally. So can you please?
Yeah, very well. I'll tell you, tally we call it as very simple accounting application. 95% of the SME uses that. Of course, 100% of the small and medium practitioners, chartered accountants use it, accountants use it. But I'll tell you, the structures in data is so flexible. You can have enormous amount of groups underneath a ledger.
Okay.
At the same time, you can have multiple ledger accounts for taxation.
Okay.
For GST, you can have hundreds of ledgers.
Okay.
So sometimes it makes the compliance cumbersome.
Correct.
And by the way, the data structures in Tally is not that easy to access. There is no tables inside Tally, easily accessing things like that. So what I did, I mastered that art. I found out what are the source data in Tally.
Okay.
So far, I've identified around 23 sources of data.
Oh.
With that, 98% of the Tally data is out in Excel.
Oh.
Flat tables with rows and columns.
Okay.
So
wherein we can easily get the reports.
Correct. Okay. So, and for example, you take a sales register in Tally. Say it is of 800 lines or 1,200 lines. If you export to Excel, what is the time it generally takes? 1,000 lines of report?
Less than 5 minutes?
Yes, 5 minutes. Do you think it will export in every computer properly?
No. It will be slow, it will be...
Correct. Sometimes when it is exporting 200, 300 lines, it will say that out of memory.
Correct.
So what I've done, I have found out a method in Tally, it's called ODBC, which exports the data at a rate of 1,000 line item for a report in a matter of 1 second.
Oh, okay.
So then I thought this is the best way. So I have identified 23 tables, right from ledger master to stock master, day book, or the stock movements, for foreign currency transactions, bill references, wise reports, and of course then cost center wise reports. Like that, I've identified around 23 reports. So each report I shoot it through ODBC application. So this report, recently I posted a LinkedIn post.
Yeah, I saw from that.
Yeah, this application will pull out the 23 tables in a flash time between 7 seconds to 25 seconds.
Okay.
So that means any audit it comes to you.
Any reports can be taken with a matter of seconds.
Correct. And GST report, especially I've written it in one table.
Oh.
If you refer that one table, your sales, purchases, whatever the GST you want to reconcile, you can complete your reconciliation. It's basically like, I want that chartered accountant to spend
Less time on
very less time,
whatever has
10% of the
buried
time.
work. All
Correct.
those are buried work
Yes,
actually.
so I want to automate. So this tool I have given for the benefit of the fraternity with my Tech CA
Yeah, I
app.
just wanted to ask that. What is the tech CA, sir? That
See,
is your
yes. No,
name.
Tech CA means you can able to
Yeah, that I can
predict a
understand.
technology for chartered accountants. So
So you have created a...
yes, I've created a small blog called techca.app.
Okay.
Maybe a year back.
Okay.
Today I have 1,200 chartered accountants in that forum.
Oh, very nice.
I just created to spread knowledge amongst 10-15 people.
But CAs are very much interested
Correct.
to know that.
Correct.
But the urge to learn is what is lacking in
Correct,
the
correct. So,
group.
so this Tech CA blog became very popular, and around I had around 60,000 visits to that website through that blog in the last 1 year.
Okay.
Then I thought, okay, let me take this seriously. So I released, often release these updates to the people. Now we are in the process of creating a private limited company, separately managing that. 3 more chartered accountants joined me in this process.
Very nice.
So we're planning to render and give some service to the community as well as to the fellow chartered accountants.
Okay. So you develop the product and you can sell the product to the business people or to the
Yes,
clients.
but predominantly it is of community angle.
Okay. No, I'm generally asking if you create some
I'll tell you how
code
it
or
is.
tally.
I'll tell you how it is. 80% of my creations are for public for free as a community.
Oh, very nice. Okay.
20% was, some high-end features being kept as.
So you keep it open for public.
Yes. People are using it. Around 5,000 to 8,000 chartered accountants visit that site regularly, download the TDL, load it in their tally, and they do audits. We have the metrics behind.
Okay.
There is a specific page which we created on September, 11,355 downloads.
Oh, okay.
So people are using it.
Even you gave us for that during the class and we used it actually.
Correct.
But what is the thing is like from Tally, many people are using various software like Zoho or SAP or their internal software. So how will that help when you create something with relating to Tally? So when the people are using many other software.
See, if there are, some of my clients use SAP, some of my clients use Zoho, some of my clients use some Dynamics, Oracle kind of applications. So all these applications have some certain methods of exporting data.
So for everything you have?
Everything I have developed.
Okay. But
for the ERPs where I am exposed to through my client.
Okay. So for each and every applications you have a...
Correct. And there is a methodology to take the data. None of them are aware of it.
Because when we see few clients software, we really don't understand how to take the report.
I tell you something. Let's take the biggest. Can you give me names of the top 3 ERPs in this country? Leave it Tally. Give me the higher end ERPs.
I know.
SAP.
Okay.
Dynamics.
Okay.
Oracle.
Oracle, yeah.
All these ERPs have a similar ODBC kind of a feature called OData.
Okay.
Nobody knows this.
Okay.
The implementers of this ERP knows this, but they don't tell people. You know why? Their relevance is lost.
Okay.
So what if you get the same set of reports, like 23 reports I say in Tally, you get 25 reports, which is the mother of all the reports, all the data. What will happen to your audits? You can complete it.
Yeah.
But what will be the future and scope of the ERP implementers? No relevance. So they don't tell this. The technology behind this is called, sometimes it is called OData in terms of Dynamics, Oracle and SAP. And the same kind of technology in terms of other applications like Odoo, Zoho, all these are called APIs.
Okay.
You can use either of this to get the data, similar data from those applications as well.
So how long you invest time to create this? Example for Tally, you told like 20.
Tally, I'll tell you something. It is a cumulative hours.
Okay.
Maybe.
No, it is not like you have to sit continuously for so much hours.
True. But again, there are sometimes you get it very easily.
Okay.
For example, my Tally code stack is 19,000 lines.
Okay.
There are times I spent 80 hours to write 4 lines. It is something like that. So
it all depends upon that matter of
time, my mindset, whether it is morning or evening, whether I had a coffee or not, or it is a late night, or it is midnight.
Okay.
So it depends. But I would say roughly maybe 25,000 to 30,000 hours I've spent so much on this technology so far in the last 10 years.
Okay.
But
again, the consistency is important.
Consistency is important. Again, see, it does not stop with the time. The time is more the time, that means you don't know about the technology.
Correct.
Less the time you know in and out about the technology. So it's been like, sometimes initially I would have spent a large amount of time probably figuring out, maybe, you recall, the first utility I released was the Excel to Tally. It took me 600 hours.
Okay.
The first utility, it was in Excel macro. Second time I learned Tally TDL. I did the same Excel to Tally through TDL. It took me 3 hours.
Okay.
Survey is such a disproportionate value.
Correct,
And time. It depends upon my luck sometimes. Of course, it goes on like that. For example, the latest utility you would have seen I released, as you was mentioning,
Yes.
couple of days back in LinkedIn, and that utility, the user interface, it took me roughly 3 hours.
Okay.
But if at the same time, use of AI. If the AI was not there, I would have been developing that for a week's time.
Okay.
So you have
The helping hand of AI.
the helping hand of AI. Sometimes somebody comes and helps you out. You know the technology better, the code stack better. You write good pieces of code. So it varies.
Okay. So can you please tell about the AI hackathon? How you were the topper?
Yeah, I'll tell you.
What is it actually? How the CA?
I'll tell you. There is a committee called AI Committee, Artificial Intelligence Committee of the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. The committee was recently formed. It's been 1 year into existence. This is the second year of the committee. 3 months passed away. And the first year, the committee wants to do something which they want to bring all the chartered accountants to a single platform. So, and luckily, the committee was headed by Mr. Dayaneva Sharma, Central Council member from our region. So, he devised a plan to bring all chartered accountants into a single platform by having some context in AI. Technology. So, he branded it as a hackathon.
Okay.
So, it was a competition or a quiz program amongst chartered accountants to demonstrate their skills.
Okay. With respect to technology.
With respect to technology.
Okay. So you participated in that?
Yeah, I never know until 3 rounds of hackathon got over.
Oh.
Fourth round, it was AI in Tally.
Oh.
One wish.
Before that, you had 3 rounds already.
Yes. I was never aware of it.
Only when the Tally came in, you.
Yeah, one of my well-wisher from Madurai, he informed me.
Okay.
I participated, and the moment I presented, few central council members called me, few outside people called me. Then I decided, okay, I've made something. Then again, another round of hackathon I've done, but nobody informed me whether I crossed that level or not, or won that level or not.
They just kept calling you. You also went to places. Okay.
One more round of hackathon. Then one day I got a call that I've been shortlisted for semi-final.
Oh.
Okay. And said 2 days in notice, they want me to do something different. Again, I did something different in the semi-final, and luckily I came to being shortlisted for final.
Okay.
And last year, the AI committee did a AI summit in Hyderabad, and there were 7 finalists being selected. I am one among the finalists to demonstrate my AI use case before an audience of 2,500 chartered accountants.
Oh, yes.
Live voting, there was online voting, offline voting, juries, observations, all of this has been done, and there are 3 people declared as winners.
Okay.
So myself, a couple of more chartered accountants, one person from Delhi, another person from my brother from Hyderabad. Okay. So we 3 were declared winners of the hackathon. Okay. Season 1. Okay. Then the AI committee did with season 2. Oh. Results were out, and now season 3 final is going to happen this year in AI Summit in Pune, 17th and 18th of July. So you are there for that? Of course, I'm there to witness the hackathon, and this is what hackathon. So hackathon basically wants a chartered accountant to come and compete.
So when they are ready to compete, they will come and demonstrate.
Correct, and every 6 months there is a context online, so you can apply.
So now you are become a jury member.
Not really. I'm not sure what the role the institute will give me. Of course, I was a jury for the season 2 hackathon. I was a jury for season 2 hackathon.
So you really love what you're doing, right, sir?
Of course, yes. I enjoy.
Okay, so whatever you wished for, it is happening in reality. And as a faculty also, did you actually plan to become a faculty, or it incidentally happened?
No, one day AI committee called me. They said they're going to launch level 1. And they said, yeah, I'm a compulsory student in first batch of the AICA.
Oh.
Now 400th batch is going on. I went without any kind of scope. I came to know then later, I thought I can fit in this role better. Then I requested allotting a class. I did a session. Then they saw my feedbacks. Then they continued to give sessions.
So now you...
So it is a day 2 of the course, which is more challenging. So around 400 batches are up.
Okay.
I've done close to 50, 60 batches of this AI certified course, level 1. Looking forward to contribute more in level 2 as well, as a faculty member as well as contributor for the case studies.
Okay.
Working closely with the AI committee.
Okay, fine. So since you have technology-based firm, so you need not worry about your growth in the firm as well when you are into travel and...
True. And many chartered accountants, I will tell you this at this point, you think, many chartered accountants think that if you go for a vacation, then that's all, your office is lost. No.
Yeah, many people think even now the practicing CAs, when I'm not there in office, the work will not happen. So that is a mindset.
No, it doesn't matter really. I've created applications which can integrate with my WhatsApp. Wherever I turn on my computer, even in this studio, I can turn on my computer, connect to internet, I can see my office file.
With the VPN, you taught us.
Yes, of course, you also know that VPN.
Yes.
So I can able to connect anywhere. I can print from here in my place. I can print from my mobile phone. So wherever I am, I can really, move forward, work
So
anywhere.
how do you make people reach about these technologies? Because through AI classes, we came to know few things.
Correct.
But many people are not still aware about the technology. So how even now the institute can make better reach?
See, I'll tell you, there are around 60,000 firms in India.
Correct.
Practicing, partnership as well as proprietorship in count. The AI committee has done a lot of initiatives. This 400th batch, on an average, every batch has 40 to 60 participants in the AI class,
Okay,
What is 50 into 400? Shall I tell you the math? 20,000.
20,000, yeah.
Yes. Out of 60,000 firms, 20,000 firms have already completed the AI CA level 1 batch.
Okay.
I'll tell you my personal view. See, AI can enhance everybody's life,
Correct.
People 25 to 40 age group will see AI can able to help them. Support. People in 40 to 50,
you're still hesitant to...
No, they may, but they will seriously see the impact that they can improve it faster.
Okay.
People 50 plus or 60 plus, they will have much resistance to this AI and automation.
Correct.
But whoever attend this session, they will continue to move on. But at the same time, I'll tell you, people more than 40, this AI is very much helpful. Because the guys who are less than 40, 25 to 40, they know what is filter. They know how to put a pivot table. They know all this stuff. So more than 40, the AI is used to benefit them a lot. So at the same time, there could be resistance, but the time will answer all of this.
But do you think they have removed that information technology subject from CA examination?
Yes. They have removed DISA.
Yeah.
Sorry, ISCA.
ISCA.
Yeah.
So if they have removed that, then how the CA members will again come to this technology?
That's a good question. But incidentally, I'll tell you something. I did not qualify CA for 9 attempts.
Okay.
Because of one paper called ISCA.
Oh, really?
Finally, I never qualified.
Class, actually.
Finally, I never qualified.
Okay.
At the end of the day, the new syllabus, the current syllabus which came into existence in 2018, I wrote the syllabus, and without any attempt, I just qualified in the new syllabus where I've never, that means technically I've not undergone ISCA to qualify.
But you are a technology person.
Yes.
How is that possible, sir? But, so you mean that has no relevance with the practical?
No relevance. I'll tell you, if I come to an AI class session, I'll be the dumbest ever.
Okay.
I could not able to qualify this paper. Of course, the new set of chartered accountants do not need to qualify.
Okay.
Today, if you take the advanced information technology course where I'm a faculty, you have subjects like Python, you have subjects like
So more of practical
yes,
knowledge.
Subjects like robotic process automation,
Okay.
subjects in dashboarding like Power BI, subjects in analytical tool like Nine. All these are there in the
Which we didn't have in the book.
yeah, we both never had this
Yeah.
kind of option. So today, I believe any chartered accountant who going to get qualified in the forthcoming September or November attempt and get himself enrolled as a chartered accountant, he will sit in a classroom which teaches 6 days of Python.
Okay.
So today, there is a different set of skills required. People also get empowered with the skill and they come out as chartered accountant.
Okay.
So I don't think so.
So you say a lot of opportunities are there for the
Of
CA
course,
with
yes.
technology.
Of course, yes.
Where we see very less people who use both tech and CA.
True.
Okay. So
I would say
even if we come to you, you will have a lot of opportunities.
correct. No, I'll tell you once many seniors told me who are in industry, they'll say, hey Ram, come on, you have the skills, what you have, if I have, I will easily move on to a 80 lakh or a 90 lakh.
Because of the time investment you are making.
Not because of the technological upper hand I have. If they think they believe that if they have, they can easily scale up the ladder in the corporate world.
Okay.
So I think really there is a lot of opportunities open.
Even when you are in a corporate or firm?
Both the case it is the same, both in corporate or in the firm. Okay. Everywhere. You will get definitely a good amount of money, really value inside the organization.
Okay, sir. So you gave a lot of ideas about technology and this. So we have a small rapid fire round.
Oh really? You never informed about me.
No, that is a surprise for you.
All right.
So just 5 minutes,
All right.
5 questions.
Okay.
You can instantly tell the answer whatever you like to. One app you can't live without.
In the phone? Or
Any
the mobile?
app, any app. One app you can't live without.
ChatGPT.
Okay. So now it has become a ChatGPT. Okay. So if not a CA, what would be? If you're not a CA, what you would be?
Very difficult question, but would be a engineer.
Engineer. Okay. So basically relating to computer engineer. Okay. So coding a solution or working overtime, what's more apt for CA?
Coding a solution.
Okay. So you say all CAs should try that?
Yes.
Okay. Tech startup or Big Four, which is more challenging?
Neither.
Okay.
Tech startup is like a cup of tea.
That is for you, sir.
Yes. Big Fours, maybe give me 10 managers, I'll make it as one manager.
Okay. So
I can challenge.
When you say this, did you try something relating to Big Four when you talk about all these software and applications? Did you attempt anything with the Big Four for giving your presentation or?
No, I'm not really interested.
Not really interested.
Yes.
Okay. Only if they come and see your work, or if they.
I'm not interested either for them to come and see. I'm okay with the way. I'm not really looking forward as well.
Okay. So if you could automate one part of your job, what would it be?
I've automated every part of my job except my life and my happiness.
Okay, maybe
I've not automated it.
Maybe your personal thing, something. If you want to automate something, what you will do?
Almost I've automated everything.
Okay.
Almost I've automated everything.
How do you apply that automation in your personal life, sir?
I'll tell you a lot of things. For example, sometimes if I want to send some instructions to my wife,
okay,
it is very difficult to send it in person. So I put a voice recording, converting it to a text and send it. I don't really type it in,
Okay, that way.
That way I do it. And for example, today morning my wife asked me to iron my son's dress, uniform.
Okay.
I put the shirt, on top of it I put a span, I ironed both the dresses at the same time to save some time.
Okay.
So
even you apply those things in your personal life?
Yes.
So for the maximum time reduction.
Correct. Sometimes I put a monitor, cricket match on one side, another news channel on another monitor. I hear the news channel, I watch the cricket. So I do this kind of crazy things in my home. Okay. Of course.
Very nice. So thank you so much for your valuable time, sir. Yes. You have linked CA and the technology and gave us a lot of ideas and inputs. So thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.